In an increasingly competitive world, strategic leadership depends on space and defense platforms for communication, navigation, scientific exploration, and national security. The defense technology companies, commercial space innovators, and government agencies developing these platforms need uniquely qualified manufacturing partners. At Applied Aerospace and Defense, our mission is to unleash the power of advanced manufacturing at scale with the speed and agility of next-generation innovation. With extensive in-house design engineering and IP-enabled manufacturing processes, Applied controls production from end to end for unmatched precision and quality assurance. Today, Applied focuses exclusively on mission-critical platforms that operate under extreme conditions in 3 markets. This includes space and launch systems, defense aviation and airborne systems, and C5ISR and precision strike systems. Our undeniable heritage in space dates back to the earliest spacecraft launches. For launch vehicles, our customers rely on Applied for flight-critical systems from liftoff to orbit to landing. For satellites, we manufacture systems for propulsion, power generation, and payload operations. Our products equip defense aircraft from nose to tail for multi-role air dominance and autonomous combat systems. In the C5ISR domain, Applied delivers a range of antenna and sensor platforms for advanced communications and next-generation radar. For precision strike and missile defense, Applied builds critical systems supporting both forward-deployed and standoff missions. Applied leverages the most comprehensive manufacturing capabilities in the aerospace industrial base. We build composite and bonded metallic products with autoclave and oven-cured materials. We build complex assemblies for dynamic systems using precision forming and machining of hard metal and high-performance alloys. Our advanced materials, including proprietary polymer films and resins, are tailored to challenging customer applications. And finally, our comprehensive assembly and integration services bring it all together with precision fit assembly, including cleanroom facilities. From raw material sampling to non-destructive and environmental testing, we ensure the highest quality assurance. Backed by decades of experience, Applied brings together over 1,500 dedicated professionals across 11 facilities in 6 states, totaling over 1.5 million square feet of production capacity. From design to delivery to sustainment, Applied delivers 21st century agility and full lifecycle reliability to meet the demands of global leadership in space and defense. Applied is engineered for the edge and trusted to deliver.